Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, guys, we are making one pot paprika chicken recipe. This recipe, guys, is so easy to make. You just dump everything in one pot, then you have your dinner in 30 minutes. So with this recipe, we'll be using chicken thighs with boiled potatoes and rainbow carrots. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. Let's get right into it, guys. Start by seasoning the chicken with salt. We're gonna also add smoked paprika, we are also going to add garlic and pepper seasoning. We're gonna also add cayenne red pepper. Using my hands, I'm gonna rub the seasoning on the chicken until it's covered on both sides. My hands are clean, guys. Make sure you wash your hands before touching the chicken. Cover the chicken thighs with a plastic wrap and let them marinate for 1 hour. Next, we are going to season the potatoes with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and smoked paprika. Give it a toss and set it aside. Now let's heat to the stove. Preheat a large Dutch oven over medium-high heat for 2 minutes with 3 tablespoons of oil. Once hot, add the chicken thighs, skin side down, and allow them to cook for 3 minutes. Flip the chicken and continue to cook it for another 3 minutes. Toss in some onions, cook the onions until they're soft and translucent. Next, we're gonna add in 3 tablespoons of flour. I'm using all-purpose flour, guys. Give it a good stir. Once the flour is cooked through, we're gonna add potatoes and carrots. Now we are going to enhance the flavor with thyme, basil, and oregano. Next, we are going to add in chicken stock, cover with the lid, turn down the heat to medium-low, and let it simmer for 18 minutes. The chicken is done. Now it's time to plate up. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Share it with your friends and your family. And if you ever try it, let us know how it turned out in the comment section down below. And if you are new to my channel, hello there. Welcome to Mama B's Kitchen. Please don't forget to subscribe and to hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.